Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to upload files to use in Hubspot content. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of HubSpot's marketing and sales tools. After you've logged in and can see your dashboard, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with several options listed there. Look for the option labeled Marketing and click on it. This will expand a submenu showing various marketing tools available in HubSpot. From this expanded menu, locate and click on Emails. This section is where you manage all your email campaigns and related content, including the files you'll be uploading. Now that you're in the Emails section, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button or drop-down labeled Email Tools. Click on this to reveal additional options related to email management. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Files. This is the area where HubSpot stores all your uploaded assets that you can use across your email campaigns and other marketing content. Once you're in the Files section, you'll again want to look at the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find a button that says Upload Files. Click on this button to begin the upload process. This will open a file browser window that allows you to navigate through your computer's folders and select the file you want to upload. In the file browser window that appears, navigate to the location on your computer where your desired file is stored. Once you've found it, click on the file to select it. This tells HubSpot which file you want to add to your content library. After selecting your file, you'll typically need to click an Open or Upload button to confirm your selection and initiate the upload. Now you'll need to wait a moment while HubSpot processes and uploads your file. Depending on the size of your file and your internet connection speed, this might take just a few seconds or a bit longer. You'll usually see a progress bar or indicator showing you how the upload is progressing. Once the upload completes, your file will appear in your files library and be ready to use in any of your HubSpot content. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a file to HubSpot that you can now use in your emails and other marketing materials. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.